So I figured it was about time for me to stop tempting fate with this thing, and I put the blade guard back on. If you've been around since about the 6th video I posted, I think, the magazine rack, I took it off in that video because it was catching the plywood that I was working with at the time and kicked back and just causing a whole bunch of garbage on me. So I took it off, and then there wasn't a problem since then. But, you know, I like my fingers, so I figured I should maybe put it back on just to try and cover my butt a little bit better. But a couple things I forgot about it, which I might end up taking it back off again. So when I lower the blade, but the blade guard hits the bottom before the saw can get back here. So it doesn't cut this corner of the wood properly, and I have to like either jam it down all the way, which is annoying because I'm not thinking about that at the time. I'm watching where my fingers are and if the cut's going properly. Or I have to cut it this way, in which case I get a bunch of tear out on the top of my piece. This is the only miter saw I've owned, so I really couldn't say if others are built better. I'm sure there's other ones that are built better or not. I have no idea. But I feel like this is just a problem. I don't think the blade guard should come in contact with the table because that's causing issues, which is exactly why I took the blade guard off to begin with. I don't know. It's back on at any rate, so use it for a bit more and see what happens, I guess.